Chapter 11, Keeping What's Right in Front. So far in the book, I've shared all kinds of ideas about this notion of what's right versus who's right. In Chapter 11, I share a checklist about how to keep these things in front of us. A couple things to keep in mind. It's important for us to be able to resolve some of the issues of the past so we're able to look forward. Otherwise, we keep looking in the rearview mirror when we might be better served to look out the windshield. Also, remember to check the energy you're bringing to a situation. Sometimes you're the cause of things being an issue because you bring in this negative energy into a meeting or into a conversation. Maybe you stuck the energy. It's all blocked up in you, so let it flow. Let it go forward. Another place that it's really helpful to keep what's right in front is to remember that maybe we're not quite so important. It's valuable to be humble and to be vulnerable. Now, some people might think that's a sign of weakness. I think that's a sign of extreme courage when you're able to be both humble and vulnerable. So try that every now and then as opposed to walking into a situation with all the answers. There's another place too. Sometimes we find ourselves in situations where we're not quite sure what's going on. You know, this fake it till you make it thing? Well, I'm not sure that's the greatest idea. Sometimes it's better just to ask for help. In fact, it's eminently practical to ask for help. It solves all kinds of problems and it speeds things up. One more tip on the list of things in Chapter 11 is to keep a beginner's mind. In other words, walk into a situation that you're not familiar with and be open to learning something. People who know it all, boy, we really don't want them in our lives very much. They're a little bit like a balloon that's filled all the way with air. There's no room for anything else. You put something else in it, it'll pop. So as you read Chapter 11, think about a situation where you might have applied this in your life. Join us next time for Chapter 12. Does this shift actually work? In the meantime, to learn more about the book, please go to my speaker's website, tiptonspeaks.com, click on the Books tab at the top, and you'll see a link for What's Right, Not Who's Right. If you'd like to buy the book now and support the Tipton Family College Fund, thank you for that. The book's available on Amazon right now. Thanks very much for watching.